Alright, welcome back guys to my new video, your fashion boy here. Today I'm gonna reviewing a Fred Perry sweater. It's 100% cotton outside, and inside it has two fabrics, polyester and cotton. Here a little bit if you want to see it. It says Fred Perry right here. It's the best sweater I have actually. It feels very nice and very nice. And yeah, you know, it has a pretty good color. You can do you can combine it with a lot of things. It has these like Julius Caesar crown things in the back. It's a really nice sweater. I'll try it on. Alright guys, here I am with it on. You can see the back, you know, and it's very nice. You know, first of all, you know, it has a very nice finish right here. It's very comfortable around your arm and around your body, you know, it's very nice. And it cost me about 150 euros. It looks very nice with a watch if you have one. I have an IWC Aqua Timer. Very nice watch also. And yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Your fashion boy.